Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to validate a mobile number. In India, as we all know that the Indian mobile number is of 10 digits and the starting number is can be anything now. 6 is also in the starting, but in previous time there is 8, 9 and something like this. So I'm going to show you how to validate the 10 digit mobile number. Okay. So let's just start the project, and here I have not implemented anything. I have just said that this text field going to be inserted into this data grid view. Just I'm inserting anything. Okay, so it will insert anything in this data grid view. But what we need is that only 10 digit mobile number, valid 10 digit mobile number can be entered into this. So how to do that? So for that we have to use regular expression, and we have to code on this validate button. Just double click on this, and here this is the code how the rows are being added into this data grid view from this text box. Okay, so now I want that first we have to create a regular expression. So the regular expression is, before using regular expression you have to actually use one library, that is using system text regular expression. Just include this, and after that you have to write regular regex. Okay, so just control space, oh sorry, the spelling mistake, or regex, and after that just you create the object of this, and in this you will pass the regular expression. Okay, like in this bracket inside this you have to pass the regular expression. So how to pass that? First you have to uh, include at the rate, and after that double quotes, and inside this double quotes you have to just use this. Let me just this one, and after that in the brackets you have to mention from which number to which numbers are allowed in this. So 0 to 9, and how many numbers you want. Like with 10 digits we want that 10 digits values are only accepted, so here we write this 10, and after that just include this dollar sign. Now this is a regular expression. So now we check that if r dot is match, if text box one, this text box one is the name of this text box. Here you can find it, here the name. Okay, and this text box dot text. Okay, so here we go. So now in this condition we are checking that if the text box, in this text box the text which it contains is following this expression or not. Okay, so if this is valid, then what we need to do is we are just inserting this data into this data grid view. Okay, so and if it's not, then what I need to do is I'm just popping up a message. Let me just message box dot show, and let me just show invalid mobile number. Okay, and just save it and execute it, and let me just show you. Let me just clicking on this, here you can see this invalid mobile number. Now let me just enter a valid. Let me just check this. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, it's 11. So try to insert, okay sorry, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, actually it's 10, that's why it's inserted. Let me add one more digit in this, and it will show an invalid. Just try to delete one and add one character, so it will also say invalid. So let me do this in more frequent way. So I want that when I click on this button, if this number is invalid, then change the background color of this text box to red, and if this valid, then change the text box color to green. So how to do that? So for that, let me just comment this one first, and after that I want that text box background color. Okay, so text box one dot background color is equal to system dot, how to set the background color, just I'm showing you. Okay, so drawing dot color dot light green. I'm just, if the number is valid, then just change this to light green. And in the same way, it's, if it's false, then just change it to, because there is no light red, so I'm just I was going to change it to light pink. Okay, so trying dot color dot light pink is available. I'm using that. This will also look good. So just start it, and here you can see the difference, how it's working. Just click on this. This is an invalid number. Now let me just enter a valid number. So this is now 10 digit, and here you can see this is green now, and this is added to this. Now if you want that you don't need to hit this button to check that this number is valid or not. You want the color to be changed at this text when you fill in the text. So how to do that? You just need to click on this and go to properties, and properties you can search a text changed event. Here you can see this text change event. Just double click on this. Here the text change event is generated, and just copy this code and paste it here. Okay, and just let me remove this because we don't want to insert this into the data grid view, and I just want to change the color of the text box. Okay, so now save it, and it will match that this condition is satisfied. If this is satisfies the condition, then change the text box color to green. If not, then change the text box color to light pink. So I'm not going to hit the button now, and just start it. Here you can see with the first character it's changed to red, and if I'm entering a valid mobile number, here you can see now it's green. If I enter a wrong thing, it will show red. Okay, so light pink if you see this. So I hope you like the video, and if you click on this, it's add. Okay, so thanks for watching. That's it for the today's video. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe and hit the bell icon, and please share with your friends. And I have also made so many projects, so go check it out in my channel, and stay tuned to see more videos. Thanks.